Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Today I will be making a dessert recipe called Bhapa Doi. Bhapa in Bengali means to steam and Doi is yogurt or curd. So it is basically a steamed sweet yogurt recipe. With just 3 basic ingredients you can make this wonderful dessert. At the same time, it is very quick and easy to put together. So if you have guests coming over, this is the perfect option. So let's get started. Here I have taken a large bowl. In it I added 1 cup of thick yogurt. I have used plain non-fat Greek yogurt, which by nature is very thick. But you can even use regular yogurt. It can be full fat, low fat, non-fat, whatever you prefer to take. Just be sure to use plain unflavored yogurt. Now let me show you something. If you use regular yogurt, like regular plain yogurt, you may have to put it in a strainer and leave it in this way in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours so that the excess liquid drains off. What you need here is yogurt with a thick consistency. Okay, so now stir the yogurt very well to get rid of any lumps. Do this before adding anything else, as it will be very hard to get rid of the lumps once you add the other liquid ingredients. To this, I added 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk. I know what you're thinking now. Yes, I know it's a high calorie recipe, but come on, you're not having Bhapa Doi every day, right? To this, add 1 cup of milk. Use cold milk or it can be of room temperature, but do not use warm or hot milk as the yogurt may curdle. Next comes the flavoring. I added 1/4 of a teaspoon of cardamom powder or elaichii powder. Then from the 1 cup of milk that I had taken earlier, I separated out 4 tablespoons of milk, warmed it up a little bit and added some saffron threads to it. Remember that this needs to come down to room temperature before adding. I added the saffron milk. It is not necessary to add saffron. You can leave it out entirely, as it even tastes delicious without it. It just takes the dish to another level. Now just mix everything very well. Finally, I added just a pinch of food color. This is also totally optional. I added it just for presentation purpose. Now I will be showing you 2 methods of how to steam this. One using a steamer and the other using a pressure cooker. You can follow whichever one will be more convenient for you. So this is why I am putting the mixture in separate containers for demonstration purpose. But when you make, use only one bowl or container. Or if you want to serve each person with a separate bowl, then you can do it in this way. After filling up, cover each bowl tightly with an aluminum foil. You can even use those steel tiffin boxes with lids on them. Here I had already started boiling some water in my steamer. I put my steamer basket, placed one of the containers in it and covered it. Steam it on medium to high heat for about 25 minutes. Here I allowed some water to boil in my pressure cooker, and as you can see I am using just an ordinary lid to cover it. I placed my steamer basket, then placed the containers. See to it that the water level stays beneath the level of the bowls, or else the water may enter the bowls while boiling and that will be a total mess. Then cover it for 20 to 25 minutes on medium to high heat. You can even use the pressure cooker lid, but remember not to put the weight on it. The purpose here is to steam and not to pressure cook. You can even use a tiffin box like this for steaming the yogurt. At the same time, you can use the insert that comes with the pressure cooker for steaming if you do not have a steamer basket. 25 minutes done. Now I will take both of them off heat. Then when it will be comfortable to handle, take them out. Remove the aluminum foils and leave them on the counter till they cool down completely. After they come to room temperature, put them in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours. The more you chill it, the better it will taste. It's been 4 hours now and my Bhapa Doi is ready to be served. See that? It is perfectly set, it's creamy, and then there is this subtle flavor of saffron and it tastes absolutely delicious. You have to try this recipe. You can even make this 2 days ahead as it tastes even better in that way. If you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing to see more videos. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.